So Snapchat best friend poses, what is it? So this is a new feature for Snapchat Plus subscriber. So to enable it, you need to have Snapchat Plus paid subscription. So then you go to Snapchat Plus and just double check if you have this. Best friend poses, see shared Bitmoji poses with your best friends, and it says pre-release. So this feature is still kind of, as it says, in pre-release. It's not fully developed. And I don't know if it's available for all Snapchat Plus subscribers. Some of my viewers told me that actually they are on Snapchat Plus, but they don't have this feature. So I don't know what the idea is there, or like, yeah, but basically you have it here. I have it. Visit the profile of one of your best friends to see your shared post. Okay, so to see this, you need to have your best friend. So if you go to any other profile, just of my friend profile, I don't see it. So I don't have this best friend post available. But if I then filter my best friends and go to my best friend on Snapchat, then I will see this, and this is, yeah, then I'll see this. This is available for my best friend on Snapchat. Your best friend don't need to have like a Snapchat Plus subscription. You need only to have that, and then you will see best friend posts, but your friend won't see them. So yep, that's basically what it is here. So yep, there you have it. So that's just basically the idea of it. So that's just what it is.